A continuation for our previous class. The analysis is still ongoing, so I don't want the video to be late. That is why. So the analysis is still on. So where the analysis, you can see generating RFE, processing complete. So all those processes, you see this assigning diaphragm. When you're using some software like GitHub, you have to do the diaphragm by yourself. But here in protastructure, it automatically performs it for you. But it's advisable to check all those software that require manual imputation. So it gives you a full insight on how structural analysis works. Now we are going to wait a little bit to complete the analysis. From the analysis, you can see now Azaleo comparison warning. So we are going to OK it. If there's any changes, if there's any problem at the end, we are going to rectify it. Now building analysis complete successfully. So we are going to wait for it, for this close to pop up, then we'll close it. So afterward, we proceed to check. Now you can see the drift, satisfy limit. Then we're talking about drift, we're talking about the turn, the twisting, the deflection. You understand, the vertical tilting of the building. Now click OK. Here we cannot close it. Now you see it remains the way it looks. So we'll come here, we'll click our review. We'll now say check section status. Now you can see now, not designed, but it has been analyzed. You can see this gray color is showing that this building has not been designed. Now we want to proceed for the design. We'll click this design icon. We can now say first of all, let's design our column. We click on column. Once you click on column in the order this design, automatically as your software to design all the column. You can see now none of the column has been designed. How do we do that? We click on our batch mode, column batch mode design. We select all the bar, we calculate. So when you calculate, you are telling the software that you should calculate from your specification 16 mm and 12 mm bar that you have chosen to install or make use of the appropriate one to make sure that the area of steel is well achieved. So we are going to wait. You see, as the design is processing, it is sticking green. So now we have to close. So design has been completed. We close. You can see all my bar has passed the design. You can see the columns are green, which is say okay. Now what is the next step? We are going to design our beam. The beam, we have different type of beam. We have the foundation beam, we have the rib beam, we have the story beam. So in all, we did not do rib slab, we did not do foundation beam. So we have only story beam. So we are going to click on our story beam, then we wait for it. All the beam will now be designed. So first of all, as we click it, we have to wait for a pop-up. You see all the beam is not designed yet. So we click on beam design batch mode. Now we select all, we click OK, then we say yes. So when we say yes, we are going to wait a little bit for the software to integrate with our selection of steel reinforcement, concrete grade and steel grade to design the beams for all the build, all the stories successfully. So we are going to exercise a little patience while the software is doing the design. As you are seeing, it's still processing the design. Let's just wait a little bit because the beams are more than the column. That is why it's taking a lot of time. So let's just wait a little bit and the design has been completed. If there's any member failing, it will tick red. So here you can see the whole building is fully designed. Now the design of the beam and color is successfully designed. So in our next video, we are going to be talking about foundation design. So we stop here today. Thanks for watching. Like and share. If you have any objection, you have any observation, or you have any challenge, you can drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. This is Alagba Civil Academy.